Hey everybody! So we've all heard about this keto thing, right? It's like the hottest diet trend out there. Everyone's talking about it, from your neighbor to your hairdresser. Even your dog walker probably throws in a keto-friendly treat for Fido. But is it all it's cracked up to be? We're going to dive deep into the world of keto and uncover some surprising facts. We'll find out if it really helps you shed those pounds or if it's just another fad diet here today, gone tomorrow. Get ready to be surprised because we're about to separate keto fact from fiction. Okay, so you hop on the keto train and bam, the excitement is palpable. The numbers on the scale start dropping like it's hot. It's like magic, right? It's pretty exciting, right? But hold your horses. There's more to the story. Before you start planning that celebratory "I lost 10 pounds" party, let's talk about what's really going on behind the scenes. See, a lot of that initial weight loss is actually water weight. Yes, water weight. When you drastically cut carbs on keto, your body starts using up its stored glycogen, which is how we store carbs for energy. This is a crucial step in the process. And guess what glycogen loves to hold on to? You guessed it, you got it, water. It's like glycogen's best friend. For every gram of glycogen your body uses, it releases about 3 grams of water. That's a lot of water. So, in those first few days or weeks of keto, you're basically saying see you later to a bunch of water weight. It's a noticeable change. Now, don't get me wrong, losing water weight isn't a bad thing. It's actually quite beneficial. It can help reduce bloating and make you feel lighter. Who doesn't love that feeling? But it's not the same as losing actual fat, which is what we're ultimately after. That's the real goal. Think of it like this. Imagine you have a wet sponge. It's a simple yet effective analogy. When you squeeze the sponge, a bunch of water comes out, making it lighter, but the sponge itself remains unchanged. But the sponge itself is still the same size. It hasn't really shrunk. It's only when you actually trim down the sponge that you're truly reducing its size. That's the key difference. So, while that initial drop in the scale is encouraging, remember it's mostly water weight. Keep that in mind. The real magic of keto happens when your body enters a state called ketosis, which is where the real fat burning begins. This is the exciting part, and we'll talk about that more in a bit. Stay tuned for the next chapter. If you're enjoying this content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Let's talk about ketosis, the word on everyone's lips. It's a hot topic, and for good reason. Imagine your body is like a car. Normally, it runs on carbs, it's regular fuel. On a keto diet, you're turning your body into a fat-burning machine. It's like giving your car a super efficient upgrade. When you reduce carbs, your body looks for an alternative energy source. It starts burning fat for fuel. Your liver breaks down fat into ketones, your new energy source. This is ketosis. In ketosis, your body primarily burns fat, aiding weight loss. Your body becomes a lean, mean, fat-burning machine. But getting into ketosis isn't like flipping a switch. It's a gradual process. It takes time for your body to adjust. Patience is key. Staying in ketosis requires consistency. Stick to low-carb guidelines. The results are worth it. You'll feel more energetic and see the weight loss. Okay, so we know keto can help you lose weight, but guess what? The benefits don't stop there. It's like buying a dress for the party, but then realizing it also comes with a matching hat and shoes. One of the coolest things about keto is its potential impact on brain health. Some studies suggest that ketones, those awesome energy sources we talked about, might give your brain a cognitive boost. It's like giving your brain an extra shot of espresso. People on keto often report feeling sharper and more focused. They're like, I used to walk into a room and forget why, but now I remember everything. Okay, maybe not everything, but you get the idea. And hold on, there's more. Keto might also help stabilize your energy levels throughout the day. Remember those afternoon slumps where you just want to face plant into a plate of cookies? Well, keto might help you say goodbye to those energy crashes. When your body is running on ketones, it's like having a steady stream of energy instead of those sugar highs and lows. It's like trading in your old, unreliable car for a brand new electric one with a long-lasting battery. But wait, there's even more. Some studies suggest that keto might have other health benefits, like improving insulin sensitivity, reducing inflammation, and even potentially helping with certain medical conditions. Okay, let's be real for a second. Keto isn't always a walk in the park. Sometimes it feels more like a walk through a thorny forest with no map. There are definitely some challenges and side effects that come with the territory. One of the biggest hurdles is the dreaded keto flu. It's like your body's way of saying, hey, what did you do with all the carbs? And trust me, your body is not happy about it. You might experience symptoms like headaches, fatigue, brain fog, and nausea. It's like your body is throwing a tantrum because it's not used to running on ketones yet. But the good news is the keto flu usually only lasts a few days to a week. It's like a short-lived storm that eventually passes, leaving behind a beautiful, fat-burning rainbow. Another challenge is the social aspect of keto. It can be isolating. Carbs are everywhere. From birthday cake to pizza night, it can be tough. You might feel out of place. It's like everyone else is speaking a different language, and you're just standing there with your keto-friendly snacks. But hey, it's all about finding creative solutions and being prepared. Bring your own keto-friendly dishes to parties. Suggest restaurants with low-carb options. And don't be afraid to politely decline that slice of cake. Remember, you're not alone. There's a whole community of ketoers out there. Lean on them, share your experiences, and stay motivated. All right, let's talk long-term game. We've heard about the initial weight loss, the fat-burning magic of ketosis, and even the potential health benefits. But can keto really stand the test of time? The truth is, like any lifestyle change, keto's long-term effectiveness depends on you. It's like learning to ride a bike. You might wobble a bit at first, but with practice and dedication, you can cruise along with confidence. There are definitely people out there who have achieved incredible, long-lasting results with keto. They've lost weight, kept it off, and transformed their health. They're like the keto rock stars, inspiring others to embrace this way of eating. But it's important to remember that everyone's journey is different. What works for one person might not work for another. It's like finding a pair of jeans. What fits like a glove on one person might not even zip up on someone else. The key to long-term success with keto is finding a sustainable approach that fits your individual needs and preferences. It's about making gradual, sustainable changes to your eating habits rather than viewing it as a quick fix. And remember, it's not about being perfect. It's okay to have an off day or indulge in a treat every now and then. The most important thing is to get back on track and keep moving forward. So there you have it, the keto diet in all its glory. We've explored the ins and outs, the ups and downs, and everything in between. Now it's up to you to decide if keto is the right fit for your lifestyle. If you're ready to embark on your own keto adventure, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join our amazing community here at Fact Fusion. We've got tons of delicious keto recipes, helpful tips, and all the support you need to succeed. Thanks for joining me on this keto journey. Don't forget to leave your comments and questions below. Now go forth and conquer those health goals.